Hello. Today we're going to learn a new letter sound. To say this sound, smile a little. Put your top front teeth on your bottom lip, but don't bite. Now make your voice buzz while blowing out air. We say Try putting your hand on your throat. Say, can you feel it? The throat is quiet. Now say, the throat is buzzing. That's the sound. Let's say the suku kata together. Va, vi, vu, vi, vu, va, vu, va, vi. Now let's look at the words. Can you read this word? We see van. Van. Can you guess the meaning? Yes, it's a van. Look at the words here. We have van, itu, that. Bapa saya, my father. Let's make a sentence. Itu, that is. Van, bapa saya, that is my father's van. Itu van bapa saya. Try this word. We can see 3 suku kata here. Vitamin. Vitamin. Can you guess the meaning? Yes, vitamins. Vitamins are good for our body. So eat many kinds of food to stay healthy. Can you read this word? Vitamin. Bagus. That means good. Untuk, for. Badan, body. Kita, badan kita, our body. Let's make a sentence with all the words here. Vitamin bagus untuk badan kita. Vitamins are good for our body. This is the capital letter for the sound. We start at the top. Make a slanted line down to the bottom. and then make another slanted line up to the top on the other side. This is the small letter. We start at the middle line. So slanted line down to the bottom, another slanted line up to the middle on the other side. Okay, so keep practicing. Great job today. That's all for now. Bye-bye. I'll see you again.